Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Ford Transit from any screen. If you go into menu and you've got sync settings, sync applications. So sync settings, that's how you accept it. So it's okay there. I always have a tendency to press the volume control. You got Bluetooth on. There's a tick next to Bluetooth on. If you're having problems, make sure you go into that menu and make sure there's a tick next to Bluetooth on. So just click down to Bluetooth devices. Then there's an arrow at the right hand side. That's that button. Click the right hand side. There's that first one, iPhone, Foz, or whoever that is. And then at the bottom you've got add, delete and connect. So that's add, that's delete, that's connect, and that's blank. So we want delete. So we click delete and it's asking me delete iPhone, Foz, yes or no. Yes. That's it gone. Now I'll just delete my phone as well, just make some room on here. So Barry's iPhone, that's highlight, delete Barry's iPhone, yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth's on the phone. It'll appear at the bottom here. Sometimes it'll just come up as mobile and change the sync, or hands-free and change the sync. We'll see what happens anyway. So you can either go to phone or menu. I'll do it the easy way. Phone, BT devices, no phones paired, please add a phone. So you've got add there and cancel there. So we want to add.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
So there you go, it's already found sync. So as it's telling me to do, select.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
Well, we've got the choices here of yes and no, so yes and no there, so yes, and then pair on the phone. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, because I won't be using it again, but you will, so I'll click don't allow, and it's already showing.
Please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
So there you go. It's asking me if I want to download PhoneBook. I don't, but again, you probably will, so I'll click no there. And you've got all your controls up there and sync connected. Another great thing with this system is, I'll just show you how to stream music, play music from your phone through the audio system in the Transit. Go to iTunes, you'll see at the bottom there, red triangle, the three red circles, the broadcast symbol. It says sync. If I just touch that, sorry. You see there iPhone and sync. There's a tick next to sync. If for any reason there's no tick next to sync, just touch it. We'll go back. I'll turn that down. But then we go to auxiliary on here. Now as it happens, it's gone to Bluetooth, the first press. But if you've got anything else, perhaps, I don't know, anything in one of the USB or the auxiliary in, it might take you a couple of presses. So there you go. That's turned up. I'll just turn this up. There you go. That's how to do it. And it's a real good system. It's nice and easy to use. And it's if you like music, it's great sound too.